how to use technology to learn new skills faster. A vibrant montage of people using smartphones, laptops, VR headsets, and tablets, intercut with futuristic visuals of data streams and AI holograms, with energetic music playing. Welcome to the digital frontier, your one-stop destination for exploring how technology is reshaping our world. Today, we're diving deep into a life-changing topic: how to use technology to learn new skills faster than ever before. Imagine mastering a new language in weeks, becoming a coding whiz in months, or learning to play your favorite instrument without leaving your home, all thanks to technology. Yes, we're living in an age where the tools for success are literally at your fingertips. And today, we'll uncover how you can use these tools to accelerate your learning and achieve your goals like never before. Why is learning important today? A close-up of a person scrolling job listings and realizing the need for upskilling. In today's world, learning isn't just important, it's essential. The job market is evolving faster than ever, with AI, automation, and new technologies reshaping industries overnight. To stay ahead, you need to be a lifelong learner. But who has time to sit in classrooms for years? That's where technology steps in, turning traditional learning on its head. 1. Personalized learning with AI. A user opening Duolingo and answering questions while the app adjusts to their level. Let's kick things off with personalized learning. Traditional education treats everyone the same, but we're all unique. This is where AI-powered tools like Duolingo, Quizlet, and Brilliant shine. They analyze your strengths, weaknesses, and pace, creating a learning plan tailored just for you. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, but without the hefty price tag. A screen showing an AI chatbot like ChatGPT explaining a complex topic in simple terms. And it doesn't stop there. Tools like ChatGPT can explain concepts, answer your questions, and even help you brainstorm ideas. Need help solving a tricky math problem? Ask an AI. Struggling with an essay? Let AI refine your draft. These tools aren't just helpful, they're game changers. 2. Gamification. Making learning addictive. A teenager earning points on an app like Kahoot or Codecademy, smiling as they level up. Next up is gamification, the art of turning learning into a game. Apps like Kahoot, Codecademy, and Linguist reward you with points, badges, and streaks as you progress. It's not just fun, it taps into your brain's natural love for rewards. This keeps you motivated, focused, and excited to learn every day. Trust me, once you start, it's hard to stop. A leaderboard showing users competing globally. Plus, many of these platforms let you compete with friends or learners worldwide. Imagine learning a skill while climbing a global leaderboard. Now that's what I call a win-win. 3. Learn on the go, mobile learning. A person watching a tutorial on their phone during a coffee break. In the past, learning required you to be in one place, a classroom, a library, or at home. But not anymore. With mobile technology, learning is wherever you are. Apps like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare bring high-quality courses from top experts directly to your pocket. A commuter listening to a language learning podcast on headphones. Stuck in traffic? Listen to a podcast like Coffee Break Spanish. Waiting for a friend? Watch a YouTube tutorial on photography or graphic design. Every moment is an opportunity to learn when you have a smartphone. Op 4. Immersive learning with virtual reality, VR. A user putting on a VR headset and entering a virtual simulation of a science lab. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting innovations in learning, virtual reality. VR is more than gaming. It's a portal to immersive experiences. Imagine practicing surgery in a virtual operating room or speaking in front of a simulated crowd to overcome stage fright. Tools like Virtual Speech, Labster, and Mundly VR make it possible. A VR user walking through a historical site or exploring space. VR doesn't just teach you, it transports you. Want to explore ancient Egypt or simulate being on Mars? VR makes it feel like you're really there, taking learning by doing to a whole new level. 5. The power of video and a person watching a tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. Video platforms like YouTube, Masterclass, and LinkedIn Learning are treasure troves of knowledge. Want to learn video editing, photography, even cooking? There's a tutorial for everything. And the best part? Many of them are completely free. The host highlighting channels with quality content. Some of my favorite channels include Crash Course, Tech Quickie, and of course, the Digital Frontier. The power of video makes even the most complex topics easy to grasp. 6. Online communities and collaboration. A person asking a question in a Reddit forum and getting responses. Learning isn't just about consuming content. It's about connecting with others. Online communities on Reddit, Discord, and Facebook groups allow you to collaborate, ask questions, and share insights. Whether it's a coding challenge or a DIY project, someone out there has the answers you need. A team collaborating on a shared document online. Collaboration accelerates learning. Platforms like Slack, Notion, and Trello help you stay organized and work with others seamlessly, making group learning more effective than ever. The role of mindset and discipline. A person setting goals on a digital habit tracker. All the tech in the world won't help if you don't have the right mindset. Use apps like Habitica or Forest to stay focused and disciplined. Set clear goals, track your progress, and reward yourself when you hit milestones. Technology can amplify your efforts, but the drive to learn must come from call to action. The host standing in a futuristic room speaking directly to the camera. So, are you ready to supercharge your learning journey? Technology has turned the world into your classroom, breaking down barriers and opening doors to endless possibilities. The only limit is your curiosity and commitment. Text on screen. Subscribe to the Digital Frontier for more tech insights. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to the Digital Frontier, and share your favorite tech tools in the comments below. Remember, the future of learning is here. Let's embrace it together.